to you fashionistas, to my queenettes out there. Believe it or not, we all are queens in our own ways. Yes, we are queens. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Saudi from Hilo Fashion House. My channel focuses on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If this is your first time coming into this channel, welcome, 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 welcome. If you are a returning, thank you so much for coming back to support this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so below and click on that notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. I upload video once a week. So ladies, subscribe and click on that notification bell because you don't want to miss anything that I have for you guys. All right, guys, enough of this and let's ride on to why we are here. Today, I am going to do a quick review on an eyeshadow palette that I recently purchased. This review is going to be my honest review on what I thought of this product. It's going to be based on 3 components: the pigmentation, the fallout, and the longevity, on how long it wears. Recently, I have been looking for an eyeshadow palette that is very pigmented and look great on people of color, especially with black women. So I do my research. Through my research, I came across Juvia's Place. So I decided to order some of their palettes. My initial thoughts of this palette when I received it was they are extremely pigmented. The texture is so smooth and the application is so effortless. The first palette is called the Festival. Look at it, guys. It's called the Festival. This palette has 9 pans of shades. It has 5 mattes, 4 metallic shades. Let's talk about the price on this eyeshadows. For this palette, it cost $20. For what you are getting for this eyeshadow palette, for 20 bucks, it's great. You are getting a lot of eyeshadows for $20. I gave it a 10. When it comes to the price, you are getting 9 pounds of eyeshadows, 9 shades, 5 mattes, 4 metallics. Let's discuss on the pigmentation on this palette. This palette is very pigmented, extremely pigmented. I'm going to do some swatch for you guys here. This is the Keleke. It's a metallic charcoal. I'm going to do the swatch for you guys. Very pigmented. This is very pigmented. This is my favorite color. This color is great for a smoky black eye. If you want to do a smoky eye all over the lid or smoky eye, this is a great color. My second favorite, let me do this other one. This is called the Odugu. The Odugu is my another metallic goldish tone color. This is very pigmented. When it comes to the pigmentations of this palette, it's great. The only cons of this palette, the fallout. This eyeshadow falls out a lot. That is the only thing I don't like about this eyeshadow. But rather than that, I love the colors on this eyeshadows. For what you are getting for this palette, for $20, it's a thumbs up. If I'm going to rate this eyeshadow from 1 to 10, I will rate this eyeshadow at 8. The reason why I am giving it an 8 is because of the fallout. I am going to be honest with you guys. It falls out a lot. But rather than that, it's an 8. Pigmentation for what you are getting, it's 100%. The second palette is called the Saharan. This is the palette that has the small pans. You have 12 pans of eyeshadows here. 4 matte shades and 8 metallic colors. The pigmentation on this eyeshadow is fantastic. Amazing. Juvia's Place, keep doing what you are doing. Yes, it's fabulous. See how pigmented for a matte? This is a matte shade. See how pigmented this is? My favorite color, the Sokoto. I love the Sokoto color. It's a red orange color. I love this color. Both of this palette are very pigmented. They both wear for a very long time. The longevity of this palette, I'll rank it about 9 to 10 hours. Today, I'm wearing Juvia's Place, of course. I worn it since 1 p.m. this afternoon. And it's now 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here at night. It's been 9 hours and it's still on. It hasn't creased. It's still on. It still looks like I just applied it. This is how good these eyeshadows are. The only downside of these eyeshadows for both palettes, they both falls out. That is the only downside. If you are looking for pigmentation, it's there. It's one of my best palettes I have spent my money on. The versatility of the colors, it's there. It gives what you are getting for what you are paying for. I rank it at 8. The reason why I'm ranking both these two eyeshadow palettes at 8, it's because of the fallout. If not, they would have got 10 for me. So guys, these are the two eyeshadows that I bought. I actually bought other products from Juvia's Place, but I am only going to review on this eyeshadows palette. For what you are getting for $20, the amount of eyeshadows you are getting, the pigmentation, and the versatility of the colors, I give it a thumbs up. If you make it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share and comment below. Please stay blessed and remember to stay fabulous because you all are fabulous. Thank you so much. See you on my next video. Bye.